Welcome to our updated guide on how to turn on dark mode in X. If you prefer a sleek and darker interface, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Locate the X icon and tap to open the app. Step 2. Tap your profile picture at the top left of the screen. Look for your profile picture, usually a small thumbnail image, and give it a tap. Step 3. In the menu that appears, find and tap on the dark mode icon. It is usually located at the bottom left of the screen. Step 4. Select On from the options available. This will enable dark mode and give X a stylish, darkened appearance. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn on dark mode in X and enjoy a visually appealing interface. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Customize your X experience by toggling dark mode on and off as per your preference.